uCertify offers HRCI PHR certification prep for HR professionals. So, start your prep for HRCI PHR certification exam from today with uCertify. HRCI PHR certification exam focuses on the following domains: business management and strategy, workforce planning and employment, human resource development, compensation and benefits, employee and labor relations, and risk management. In uCertify course, you will be receiving 344 practice questions and 8,760 hours of online content. It includes 11 lessons with interactive learning resources, such as over 704 flashcards, 60 quizzes, and 30 exercises. The course has 2 sets of practice tests with hundreds of items to ensure effective learning outcome. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive the certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you'll be able to develop, contribute to, and support the organizational mission, vision, values, strategic goals, and objectives, formulate policies, guide and lead the change process, and evaluate organizational effectiveness as an organizational leader. Develop, implement, and evaluate sourcing, recruitment, hiring, orientation, succession planning, retention, and organizational exit programs necessary to ensure the workforce ability to achieve the organizational goals and objectives. Develop, implement, and evaluate activities and programs that address employee training and development, performance appraisal, and talent and performance management to ensure that the knowledge, skills, abilities, and performance of the workforce meet current and future organizational and individual needs. Develop, select, implement, administer, and evaluate compensation and benefits programs for all employee groups in order to support the organization goals, objectives, and values. Develop, implement, administer, and evaluate the workplace in order to maintain relationships and working conditions that balance employer-employee needs and rights in support of the organization goals and objectives. Develop, implement, administer, and evaluate programs, procedures, and policies in order to provide a safe, secure working environment and to protect the organization from potential liability. To explore more about the uCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/HRCI/Pearson/PHR. You can call us on 415-763-6300 or reach us by an email sales@ucertify.com.